About Me by Stephen Hall. I'm a stay-at-home dad. I have 3 kids, ages 1, 5, and 6, and I have to apologize for the baby in the background. I'm an elementary education major. I'm in my second year of that. Fact about me is I'm a reef aquarium hobbyist. I have 2 clownfish, 2 Bengali cardinal fish, 3 species of Aranthid, a Duncan coral, an acan coral, some Xenia scattered in there, 2 species of hard coral known as bird's nest in the aquarium trade, a yellow polyp coral, and a green star polyp. And this is my display tank. It's a 37-gallon column tank. And here are some pictures of my stock in the aquarium. Green star polyp, zoanthid, bird's nest. And in the upper right corner, there's my long tentacle anemone with my clownfish buried in him. My favorite organism is obviously coral. It's a simple little organism, but it's also incredibly complex and diverse. There's thousands of species of them, and I get so much joy just taking care of them and watching them grow. Most of my coral, well, actually all of my coral, are all aquacultured, so they were all grown in Anchorage. I'm not really into the wild harvest of corals, especially with corals. And that is my slideshow. Thank you.